Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Do you want to create a stunning website in just a few minutes without coding? Well, then you're just in the right place, because today I'll show you how to build a full website using AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design a website layout using AI, how to generate text and images using AI, how to build the actual websites with AI builders, and the best part is that you won't need to touch a single line of code. So firstly, we will generate the text for our website using ChatGPT. So this is an example of a prompt which you can give it. Write homepage content for a modern portfolio website for a freelance web developer. So just go ahead and generate the text. And there you go, you have your complete text here. And now the next step is to design with an AI website builder. So just search for Durable AI and then just click on this link. And now here, just go ahead and add in your business type. For example, let's say digital marketing agency. And now then just click on generate website. Then just go ahead and enter your business name and then just click on next. And now just watch the AI generate a full website with branding, colors and content. And there you go, you have your website here. Now from here you can customize anything. You can edit the text, change the images and even add in new sections. And now from here, if you do not like these pictures, just click on regenerate images. And there you go, you have a brand new image here. Now if you're still not satisfied with those images and want professional photos, then just use DALL or Canva or Microsoft Designer to help you create images with text prompts. And once you're done creating your images, just go ahead and upload your image here. Now the next step would be to publish your website. Once you're happy with your website, if you click on save, it will start saving your website. And now your website is saved here. So once you're happy with your website, then just hit on publish. And here, as you can see, your website is live. And from here, if you want your custom domain or SEO tools to get discovered or increase your traffic, then from here you can even upgrade your plan to publish. Now if you want more customization, you can export the content from ChatGPT and images from DALL directly to WordPress and use plugins like the 10 Web AI website builder to automate everything. So here you just need to give your website name and your prompt to generate your website. So well, that's it. That is how you make beautiful websites using just AI. No coding, no stress. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.